If you've been unable to get your account reinstated and get your money released from Amazon because Amazon has been unable to authenticate your source of goods, this video is 1000% for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, if Amazon is refusing to release your money and you need someone to help you fight, here's how you submit your case to us online. It's available 24/7, and you can also contact me in any one of these 4 ways, and either me or a member of our team will be back in touch with you. So we've seen cases where Amazon has refused to release our clients' money, tens of thousands of dollars, because Amazon has been unable to authenticate the source of their products. Now, if your POAs aren't working, your appeals aren't working, and you're just stuck and you need your money back, you can file an arbitration against Amazon through the American Arbitration Association and take the decision-making out of Amazon's hands. Once you hire us to file an arbitration for you, the people that are looking at the claims are entirely different teams than those who look at the plans of action and the appeals. I mean, these people are even way higher up than the Jassy and the Jeff emails, because you're taking the case and you're putting it, one, in front of Amazon's outside law firm, and the outside law firm works with their own team of people within Amazon. At the end of the arbitration process, the decisions are going to be made by an arbitrator, not by Amazon, not by anybody employed by Amazon, but by an independent arbitrator who is usually a retired judge, a lawyer who's retired, or a lawyer who's doing arbitrations as part of his or her practice. So this is what you need to know. You submit your case to us online, you get a call back, me and you talk. If we need to file an arbitration for you because you just can't resolve the issues amicably, we can do that for you, and either it's going to resolve in the preliminary stages, or we're going to take you all the way to a hearing and fight for you, to fight for your money, fight to get your inventory back. And that's how you resolve disputes with Amazon when you just can't do it with your plans of action.